This is an aggressive move by Apple with the new Apple Watch Pro. This is the top-of-the-line Watch Series 8, which comes with a couple of unexpected features we might see on the Watch Pro. The first, which amazed a lot of people, is a new button on the left side of a Watch Pro. Now there are a couple of renders out there which confirms the design and what this button do. According to the sources, this button will be used for customized feature. Whether you need a feature, you can click a button and get it done, which is helpful because this watch is built for athletic people. If you like the curvy design on your previous watches, then Watch Pro might not come with the same design. Instead, it is going to come with a flatter display, and that is because of durability, because this is a rugged watch and we all know edges on phones or watches cannot stand for longer. If you are thinking of getting an Apple Watch Pro, then think again, just in case you might get shocked about the price. The starting price, according to the rumors, will start from $900 and can go up to $1,000. By the way, you can get iPhone 13 Pro at this price last year. But this watch is built for a certain amount of people, not everyone, since other two versions are also coming with the less price. This is going to be a big watch, some roughly around a 49mm, which is bigger than some people's wrist. And to get things done, Apple is going to put a bigger battery in the Watch Pro, and possibly this is going to be the biggest battery in any of the Apple Watch before. If you're thinking this is a very thick watch, then let me tell you something. Apple is offering a case of Watch Pro, which will protect the watch, which aims for athletic people and hikers. With its new hard titanium chassis, this case will prevent Watch Pro to get scratched. So having this case on your Watch Pro will feel thick. But if you are not using this, you can actually use your old wristband with your Watch Pro. Apple will be putting a couple of new features in the Watch Pro, and top of the list is body temperature sensor. Now at the launch, you cannot expect this to give you a body temperature since Apple put this feature to enhance the sleep patterns. But according to the source, Apple will give this update to make this watch detect whether the user have a fever or not. But it will be difficult because the external temperature is one of the main factors which can affect the results. And there is another rumor talking about the satellite feature coming to Apple Watch Pro, which it seems like not going to happen this time, and Apple will put this feature in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is already tested. And there's another feature called car crash detection. There is not much information about this, but this can be very helpful if this feature can inform somebody who can save you from the situation. Now Apple is going out with a couple of new devices this year, and top of the list is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And if you want to have a first look on it, you can check this video. You will get to know a lot about the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.